So now I'm going to take you on a tour of our room here at Fiesta Americana Condesa in Cancun, Mexico. It is a family suite, room 314 in the Moon Tower. So I'm going to open this up here. And there's my wife and baby on the bed. But if you look off to the right, as soon as you enter, you're going to see the powder room. It's actually not a powder room, it's a full bathroom. So you have a full-length mirror there. Right here we have our vanity, single vanity. Then the toilet is off here to the right, actually. It's in its own little hidden closet there, as you can see. And then it actually has a full shower, which is a nice rain shower with the rain shower head. And it actually has a second closet here as well on the left side. So a second closet with a safe, and they actually have some nice padded hangers in there too. And then a makeup mirror there on the vanity as well. Off here in the room. This is actually a living room slash little dining space. So it has a table for four. A nice little luggage rack for anybody who stays out here in the living room space. It does have a coffee maker. It's actually an espresso coffee maker that takes Nespresso pods. So you could either bring your own if you have a specific brew that you like of Nespresso, or they provide them for you. They provide 4 a day. I'm sure you can get additional if needed. And then just down here actually is the mini bar, which has sodas, beer, water, snacks, things like that get provided for you. They do refill that daily. They also refill the coffee daily, the coffee pods daily. So there's a TV out here and a dresser, 3-drawer dresser for anybody who stays out here. We have the pack and play in this room as well. This futon over here is actually where it can become a couch during the day, and then here's one couch as well. And then this room has a double door entry out to the balcony, which I'll show you that in just a minute. Off to my right here, though, is where we have the entry into the master bedroom. We have a nice sitting chair there, king-size bed, and a entertainment stand and a table over here. TV there and a luggage stand on the right. And then again, we have a second pack of land here. We got 3 kids with us. A nightstand on each side of the bed. Then this is my favorite off to the left here, and here in the master suite, you have a full rain shower, but it's a room that actually has a tub in it. And this tub, it's not vetted necessarily, but it does have like bubblers in it, as well as like a fun little blue light. So that whole shower and tub is its own room, which is really nice. And then you have this nice little spa seat there. A double vanity with 2 mirrors and nice lighting over there. Makeup mirror on the left side. And towels, some storage there. And then here is our closet and safe. This one came with a steamer, padded hangers, a safe, a scale, and it did have 3 robes in here as well when we checked in. And then right to the left here is the toilet, the water closet room for the master bathroom. So if I go back out here, there's a double door entrance off of the master suite as well to the patio. And these are nice big open doors that take you out to the patio. This patio is just amazing with cool panoramic views. The Caribbean, the Atlantic Ocean rather. I have a nice jetted tub over here. So the nice thing is that this is actually a jacuzzi tub. We've stayed at some that just have a tub out here. But this is a jacuzzi tub, and it does have faucets over here with warm and cold, so you can adjust the temperature accordingly to be appropriate for you at certain times of the day. If you want it to be a colder tub, you can do that. And the jets do work great, and they're wonderful. We have a nice bistro set, chairs and table, and then a very nice double-sided lounger, and they're adjusted separately. So if you sit on that, it kind of cuts down on the wind. The wind is very strong today. It has not been this strong during our trip. But it's a very, very nice setup you have up here in the family suite. I highly recommend it. We are on the 3rd floor, so there's 2 balconies above us if you look down there. Sorry, 2 balconies below us. And you just have a great view of the ocean there. So highly recommend this room for anybody coming to stay, especially if you have family, kids, anything like that. This is a great way to spend a week.